and welcome to the Law Unscripted group study session. We are going today to do the hypotheticals for contracts. Okay, here's the basics.
Okay.
That's going to apply to both.
Okay.
Adam owned and managed a small bakery.
I knew it.
Right? Okay, everybody is like, oh yeah, okay, Virginia owned her own cookie store a while ago.
Perfect.
Of course she would do something like this. See, right? You've all been excited. This is why you do the video reviews and the lecture series with us, is so you can get to this point. Okay, so our little small town bakery, we specialize in fresh breads, cakes, cupcakes, and cookies. Adam takes pride in being a locally sourced store, even hanging signs in the store that said his goods were locally purchased. He delivers small orders and also runs a storefront at the store, which was open to the public Tuesday through Sunday from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. All right, part one. And this actually happened to me. Not exactly, but this scenario happened to me twice during the whole store thing. So I never took it to court, but I know now I could have. So here's what's going to happen to Adam. On Monday, Adam received an email from Billy asking if Adam could cater his son's birthday party Friday evening. All right, now I'm going to pause there, everyone. For Chelsey does not have the benefit of the written hypothetical.
Oh, yes, I'm here taking my notes.
We try to do these live with Chelsey to make it very realistic of someone taking the bar or doing their law school exams, unfortunately for Chelsey. For you all, though, you can either do it live with us where you're also hearing this for the first time. But if you've purchased the group study session, you will get a copy, a written copy that you can download of this hypothetical. But just wanted to make sure you know where Chelsey stands and where you can stand through this program. Sorry, Chelsey.
No, sorry. I'm taking my notes. Okay.
Okay. All right. Yeah, no, these are a little bit more intricate than some of the others, kind of like the property one.
Yeah.
Where we had to
specific.
pause. Mm-hmm. Okay. So Adam responded that he would be happy to cater the event and then asked which items Billy wanted for the party. On Wednesday, Billy finally emailed back that he wanted 200 cupcakes in blue and orange, half vanilla, half chocolate, with chocolate sprinkles on all of them. He also asked for a 2-tiered cake in blue and orange, with one tier in vanilla, the other in chocolate, and with the words, "Happy Birthday, Zachary." Okay, when Adam saw the email, he immediately called Billy and left him a voicemail, saying he could only accommodate such an order if Billy put down a $200 deposit and agreed to pay for delivery. Billy called the store and gave Adam his credit card number, saying, "Go ahead and charge the card." He then gave Billy the address of the party and told him to deliver the cupcakes and cake by 4 p.m.
Okay.
All right, you with me?
Yes.
I know that was a lot of detail just packed into there.
Okay, let me just confirm.
Yes, go for it.
I'm looking back in my chicken scroll notes. 4 minutes,
hey,
please.
You take great notes.
Okay. The initial email. So we have the initial emails on Monday.
Yes.
For the party on Friday. Adam responds, what items, need more information. Wednesday, email back, quantity, all of the chocolate, all of that information.
The very specific order.
Adam immediately calls back, but leaves a voicemail explaining that there would need to be a $200 deposit, pay for delivery.
Good.
Billy hears the voicemail, calls back, and gives the card and the address and says by 4 p.m., right?
Perfect.
Okay, amazing.
You got it.